Good evening, lovely members. Tonight, I want to teach something that every tailor uses, but most people do not know the name of it or how it is being called. So, tonight, I want us to look at the measuring tape and how um, what it is called or how the demarcations are being named. Good. So all that most people know. So let me start from it. The big demarcations or the big divisions are inches. So we have 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, up to, I think it is 60, up to 60 inches. But for the sake of what I want to teach tonight, let me take this thing off. Good. So that you'll be able to understand what I want to teach tonight. Good. The reason why I want to take it off is that I'm not just teaching you. Good. Let me put this one here. I'm not just teaching you the big demarcations or the semi demarcations over here. I'm teaching you every bit of it. You understand? So as I have written here, the small strokes here, they are called eighths. They are called eighths. Most people do not know this. So the small strokes that we have here, they are called, or it is named eighths. Why is it named eighth, or why is it called eighth? Because if we count it here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 demarcations or 8 strokes to make 1 inch. So these strokes here are called the eighths. The eighths. Why are they called the eighths? So if you take one demarcation, or the first demarcation, we can say it is 1/8. That means it is 1 out of 8. 2/8, that means 2 out of the 8. This is 3/8, that means 3 out of the 8. 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. That will give us 1 inch. Is that clear? Good. So let's do some calculations and see why. So before I come to that, this one is called half and this is called quarter. I think most of us know, but if you don't know it, this one is 1 inch, this one is half of an inch, because this one is exact division of this and this. Exactly. So this is half and this is quarter. Exactly. So I have it here. So we know that 1/2 is half and quarter is 1/4. 8 is 1/8. Exactly. So why do we have it like that? Let's come to the drawing board, or let's come here. So the first stroke is 1 out of 8. So we have 1/8. Follow me. The second one is 2 out of 8. So we have 2/8. The third one is 3/8. I hope you are following. 3/8. The fourth one is 4/8. The fifth one here is 5/8. The sixth one is 6/8. The seventh one is 7/8. And the last one is called 1 inch or an inch. So 8/8. Is that clear? Good. So with this one, we will not deal with it. That's the inch. Let's come here. 1/8. If we are cancelling or we are dividing, it will still give us 1/8. So this one will be 1/8. 1/8. That means 1 out of 8. This one 2/8. We can divide it. 2 can cancel this one, 1. Then 2 will cancel this one, 4. Exactly. So we get 1/4. And we know that 1/4 is quarter. Quarter. Exactly. So this one, the first one is this one, 1/8. And the second one is 2/8 or 1/4. That's why we call this one quarter. So most people know that we call this one quarter, but they don't know why we call it quarter. We call this one quarter because 2/8 can be divided to become 1/4. Is that clear? So this one, 1, 2, 2 out of 8. We can divide it or cancel it to become 1 out of what? 4, because 1 will go here, 2 will go here 1, then 2 will go here 4. So 1 over 4 is called quarter. That's why this place is called quarter. Is that clear? So we have quarter. So if you want to read, extend it, so you can have 1 and quarter. Is that clear? 2 and quarter, 3 and quarter, 4 and quarter, 5 and quarter, 6 and quarter, so on and so forth. Is that clear? So let's go to 3 over 8. We cannot divide it in simple terms. We are not doing complex mathematics here. We are just doing simple division. So 3 over 8, we cannot divide it. So let's come to 4 over 8. 4 over 8, the 4 can divide itself 1, and it can divide here 2. So we can have 1 over 2. And we know that 1 out of 2 is called half. I hope you are following. Good. So if 1 out of 2 is called half, that means 1 over 8 here is this. 1 over 2 over 8 gave us 1 over 4. That's the quarter. And this 3 over 8 here. And this one is 4 over 8, which gave us 1 over 2. 1 over 2 we know is half. That's why we say this one is half and what? Inch. Are you following? This one is half an inch. So we can say 1 and half, 2 and half, 3 and half, 4 and half, 5 and half, 6 and half, and so on and so forth. Good. So let's come here. We have 5 over 8. We can divide. We have 6 over 8. And with even the 6 over 8, we can use 2 to divide it. So 2 will go here 3, and it will go here 4. So we can say this one is 3 quarter. 3 what? Quarter. 3 what? Quarter. So you can say this one is 3 quarters. Exactly, because this is 5 over 8. We couldn't divide. This one 6 out of 8. So we got 3 over 4. So 3 quarter. Exactly. Then this one to give us the same 7 over 8. And the last one 8 over 8. Exactly, 8 over 8. So here can see here 1, here we can see here 1. So we have 1. Any every number is over 1. So we cannot write 1 over 1. It's just 1. That's why we have 1 inch here. So that is that. So this is what I want you to know. Let's go over the salient point. So this one is quarter because it is 2 over 8, which gave us 1 over 4. This one is half because 1 over 2, 4 over 8, which gave us 1 over 2. And this one is 3 quarters is 6 over 8, which gave us 3 over 4. And this one is 1 inch because it's 8 over 8, which gave us 1 whole number. So we have 1 inch here. So we have 1/8, 2 out of 8, 3 out of 8, 4 out of 8, 5 out of 8, 6 out of 8, 7 out of 8, 8 out of what? 8. So we have quarter, half, 3 quarters, and 1 inch. So quarter, half, 3 quarters, 1 inch. So this one is actually 8. The small ones are 8. So 1/8, 2 out of 8, 3 out of 8, 4 out of 8. That is that. God bless you and stay connected. We rise by lifting others. That's why I always share this. God bless you, and may you become a good fashion designer. God bless you. Bye bye.